Okay, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. So since you'll be on computers a lot, let's learn how to do some keyboard shortcuts. So first is copy paste. So instead of right clicking to do copy and paste, let's do some shortcuts. So one would be Control C to copy. So I'm going to hit Control C on my keyboard, which is right where it says there. And then if I go down below this, I'm going to do Control V to paste it. So I'm going to do Control V, and that pastes the same thing right underneath. So if you need to move it from one thing to another, or from another website to this one, you can copy and you can paste just using commands. Now, Control A highlights all text on a page. And then if you need to change the font or the size or whatever to the whole page, so that would be Control A. That highlights everything here. You can copy it somewhere else if you need to. So you can do then Control C and Control V. Click twice on a word like this, 1, 2, highlights that word. Click 3 times on a word, highlights the whole paragraph. So for example, I'm pretending this is a paragraph, 1, 2, 3, highlights the whole thing. Or 1, 2, highlights the word. 1, 2, highlights the word, 1, 2, 3, whole paragraph. So click twice, click 3 times. Make a new paragraph. So click enter at the end of the previous paragraph and then tab to make a new paragraph. So let's say I want to start a new paragraph here. I'd hit enter to go down and I'd hit tab and then I'd start my new paragraph. Let's say that was done. I could hit enter and I could hit tab to start a new one. Remember, only every new paragraph, not every sentence, needs a tab. Now, again, it's tab on your keyboard, not space, 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 space. All right, Control F does a find. So if I hit Control F, it brings up this, and this works in most any document. And then if I wanted to look for control, for example, now it has highlighted every version of the word control. So if you need to look for a word in your document, you can do Control F, find, to find it. Alt Tab goes back and forth between the last window you opened and the current one. So I can do Alt Tab and it goes to Photoshop, which is what I was in before. Then I can do Alt Tab and it goes back to this one. Control Z, undo something. So go back or undo. So if I do Control Z, it just undid what I just did there. I'm going to redo it. A redo is, I always forget this one, Control Y. So I could undo it and I could Control Y, put it back. So I'm going to add that Control Z, Y. Control B, bolds. So I can, if I don't want this bold, I can do Control B to unbold it and then Control B to rebold it. Control I does italics. So I can do Control I to put it in italics or Control I again to undo it. Control U underlines. So I can do Control U to underline, Control U to undo it. So if you found this in Empower, then you have a little assignment to do with all of these commands. If not, don't worry about it. But if I gave this assignment to you in Empower, then I want you to follow these instructions with this paragraph underneath here. So please go ahead and do that if I told you to do that assignment. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.